Alright, so here I'm going to show you how you can create some random evenly distributed groups. So for this, I'm going to use rand function. So rand function basically returns a random number between 0 and 1. And mind you, this is a volatile function. So whenever you use it, make sure to convert these values into hard values. And we'll use this column, the values we have in this column, as a helper column. Now in the second column, I'm going to use the function rank. And with the rank function, I will get a rank for these values that I have in the helper column, but unique ranks. And let me enter. Let me freeze this range first. So for this, you can use the key from your keyboard, F4. And here I have unique ranks. Now the next thing is to use the round function to get group of numbers. Now let's say you have rank 1, 2, 3 here, just for your understanding, and you divide this with 3. Now for the rank 1, you have the value 0.33, for 2 you have 0.66, and for 3 you have the value 1. Now what I'll do, I'll use the roundup function and round these values to upside. So for these 3 values, so basically for the first 3 ranks, I have the group 1. And this is the same thing that I'm going to do with these numbers. So I'll divide it with 3. And then I'm going to round up to, and now you can see I have unique ranks in groups. And again, here I'm going to use the choose function. So this formula will act as a index number. So here I'm going to use values which I want to get for each of the index numbers. So if the index number or the rank is 1, so it will return north. For 2, it will return south. And for 3, it will return east. And for 4th, it will return west. And now when I close this function, I get random groups, but these groups are evenly distributed. So you have south 3 times, you have east 3 times, you have north 3 times, and you have east 3 times. And if you don't want to have random numbers, in evenly distributed way, you can simply use the rand between function and then use the choose function. So this will act as an index number. And here I have the group names. And here I have my groups. But these groups are not evenly distributed, but this formula. So these groups are evenly distributed. So you can use any of these formulas based on the situation you are in, or the requirement you have.